Big girl and she will climb now. Look.
Okay, where should I start? I got an idea. Okay, I'm just standing in the corner. Yee!
You can keep going. Keep holding in anything. Going to the right or left. Going up. Talawan. Talawan. Go. I thought you will climb up here and then slowly going that like that going up.
Look after my head, but I was about to get up to you, but then I rolled up. Just like.
The same with her skirt, that's why she wear it. Go up, Talawan.
I'm gonna start up here.
Yeah, and then keep going in the side.
Yeah, I want to go there.
Hold and then go to the side. Keep going up.
Up the way. I know I go.
It's good here because the bottom is rubber. Anyway, if they fail, it's not sore because this is rubber. It's not spout. Sige, keep holding. Like that. Go to the right. Keep going to the right. Spring chicken.
I'm gonna get down.
I don't know.
Well, that's your plan, so I should have. Wait, where should I go? Tail says I'll keep going.
Yeah, to the right.
I'm Spider-Man. I'm Spider-Man.
Okay, go to the right. Like that.
Hard. I want to go to the left.
Okay.
And it doesn't matter what way I go.
Where is left? Where is your left? That's right. Oh, oh dear.
Right, actually. Oh my god, I feel like. I did the whole thing, Mom. See how strong
Yeah, I saw it.
they were going to
Dad, look at her, Dad. Look at her. She's very brave because she's already 6. When she is 5, she won't go there before.
I know very far away. I'm trying to go. Let's get try stuff that we I'm hoping that. I'm gonna be going round.
Okay.
So I'm gonna do that way, that way. I show Dad, okay? Just tell him.
Dad, show it. See you.
Dad! They like to come over here. No, this is the... I'm so good. Don't look at it. Just look at it. Whatever I'm doing, I'm going to stand in the corner. Ah! Now, which way should I go? That way? I want to go... I want to go round again. I'm going to go round and round.
Dad, are we going home na dali? Okay, you see that? It's darker. I think it will rain.
But I want that to stop.
Daddy see you anyway. Dad, look at her, Dad. She went round. Kaya sayal pa. With shorts anyway, that's shorts.
This is tricky. How do I get down?
Tricky.
Ah, I can try. This is so easy. Just relaxing, relaxing. Oh, no.
Relaxing.
Supposed to be working. Okay, go this way. I need to start on that to get on that.
Okay.
Oh, use char boxing again. That means you're chatting all the time. It's so easy.
Just keep holding on the rope, you won't fall.
Yeah, that's what I always do.
Come on.
I don't listen to it. Move. Do you think I could do this?
Of course you can.
Wee,
Because you're a big girl.
wee, wee. I like sliding down.
Dali na kayo mag-rain na daw yung daddy. Yeah, she's coming down. I want her to come down by herself. That's it. Well done. Keep holding in the rope. Well done.
I want to go again.
No, we are going home because it will rain.
I'm really good at it though.
You're very good. Yeah, you're very good at it. Huh? Watch, watch, watch. Their water. Knock, knock. Ayay ka. Pastilan. Basa ang tiil. We're going home now. She did not see it. There's water. Let's go.
Can't go that way, I don't think.
Left. You follow them and then go home.
Normally I go that way home.
No, you
I
can't
think
because it's
gonna be
muddy
wet.
in the end there.
That's home it's had.
What?
The dog.
Really?
3 homes. 3 homes before it's a year old.
So meaning?
Meaning you don't know how it's been treated. Oh! Wow.
It's nice to see it. He's been in the water. So look, he don't care of the water. Look. Ah,
It's
this
all
time.
wet there.
This time she did not go in the water.
No, but on here, a bit in the mud more than else. But there you are, he loves it.
Ay.
He loves it.
So she said, I want daddy to see me. First time that she go at the top. This is her first time actually. So we're going home now. Where is your left, Dennis? Where is your left, Dennis? Where's your left? Look, look at her the left.
Left, that way.
Nah.
No, that way. That's left. Where's your
She's-
left hand?
She's confused with left and right.
There. So, if you turn left, that's that way.
Mahulog. Agay, ang buhok. We're here, balap.
It's falling off.